big numbers scoring tonight. What does he bring to the team?
Again, yung energy niya, no, number one. Second is yung relationship niya with the play, with his teammates. Yung big factor kay Juventus.
Thank you, Coach. Arvin, 51 points. The last time a local scored 50 points, Stanley Pringle 2018 pa. And I heard this is the most scoring of a local in 21 years, if I'm not mistaken. Take us back lang to this explosive scoring night for you. Ano ba? Is it something na nakain mo today? Bakit ganito yung turnout mo dalawa?
Di ko rin masabi, actually speechless, but sorry, I'm an emotional guy. Yeah, I was hot nung pag-start pa lang ng game, we led na, and then I felt na maganda yung tinatakbo ng team, especially in transition, and on defense. And siguro swerte lang na dumadating sa akin yung bola, and nasushoot ko naman.
Now for Arvin and Coach na rin, aside from the 51 points, Arvin, 4 of your other teammates also scored double digits, and some really doing a little bit of everything. How does it feel to be, to have this kind of dynamics of a team na ikaw nga sabi mo, ang dami ng options din sa scoring, hindi lang naman ikaw yung pwede?
Well, like I said, sabi mo na this team is not a one-man team like a lot of people are saying. We play as a team. We have fun. Kaming mga magkakakampi, and I think that's one big factor kung bakit maganda yung nilaro namin. Today we were positive the whole week actually. We were having fun, but at the same time doing what we have to do. Talaga naka-focus din kami. And one factor also is our import, Bengi. Bengi is a great addition to us. His attitude, the way he plays the game, talagang nakakahawa. And of course, Josh is there, our main defensive guy. We saw we defended all the best players, and yeah, it's a total team effort for us. I mean, I scored 51, but I give credit also to my teammates who gave their best today. I think they deserve it also. They deserve the spotlight also.
Coach Bonnie, no halftime, you reminded the players na converge. Even last game nila, down 16, napanalo ba nila against TNT. And this time, nag-respond yung players mo, hindi nag-relax. In fact, dinagdagan pa yung halamangan at the end of the game.
Correct. Actually, aside from that reminder, we took advantage on their back-to-back games. So, at least na-capitalize ng team yung pagiging we have a 5-day rest, 5 to 6 day rest, and sila back-to-back. So, at least siguro na-outrun namin sila because of their fatigue na rin based sa last game nila. So, yun. Regarding sa kay Arvin, I want to congratulate Arvin din sa 51 points na. No? The last time nung sa franchise na ito, I remember yung Stanley Pringle that time, 50 points. Ando na rin kami na. So, I'm happy with Arvin's career. For the past 2 games, he was, makita niyo yung stats niya, not much of a scoring, but yung against sa defense niya, sa assist department, medyo naging step up po si Arvin. So, nag-i-evolve na yung, nag-mature na rin yung game niya.
And now open the floor to questions from the media.
Arvin, congratulations.
Thank you.
Arvin, with this kind of offensive night, career night, siyempre memorable sa iyo. Do you think this solidifies you as one of the top offensive players of PBA, and ano pa yung mo pang improve despite this great night you have?
To be honest, I always want to see myself as that. Yung confidence ko, pride also. to be one of the best. That's my dream ever since I was a kid. To compete against the best here in the PBA in the Philippines. And yeah, I think overall we need to also improve pa yun yan. Especially right now na medyo markman na rin ako. So I also have to adjust sa kung ano man defense na binibigay ng mga teams sa akin. And yeah, one thing na also yung making my teammates involved. And of course my defense of course if I can score I have to stop also. I've been working on that ever since. And I won't stop. Sana. Gusto ko yung all defensive team. I want to be the best on that department naman.
So, ano rin, surrounded na si Arvin ng defensive players. Like sila Josh, won the 5.5 defensive player of the year. Nandiyan pa si G, we added Gio, Alalo na isa pang sa number of steals, nandun parati siya sa top 3. So yun, sila Kate Flores, yun. Medyo kailangan mahawa si Arvin.
Coach, alam naman natin may sinabi si Danny Ayes.
Ikaw nagsulat.
Actually, nagganong kayo eh. After the game, nagpatihan pa kayo. But nagkausap pa kayo after nung comments niya?
Okay naman.
Clear ba?
Umayan sa sports. Fair naman yung laro natin kanina. And siguro yung pasalamat siguro sa mga ganun write-up na because of that siguro write-up na na-challenge yung team. Not only the players but also yung team namin. Siyempre, part kami sa sulat din na nanumabas mo kanina. So yun, prior to the game, we open up that yung topic na about that write-up. I think we were all challenged with that statement.
Where can you attribute to the lopsided performance of your? Are you really surprised with the excellent performance of your players in 3 games?
3 games. 3 games.
3 games.
In the 3 games. As a coach, it's better to have a team na pataas yung laro kaysa bumaba. So overall, yung first game namin, we lost to Tocatex. At least yung next 2 games, we recovered well sa family sad loss against Tocatex. So for me, I'm happy right now kung ano yung status ng napuntahan ng team. And siguro it's a good win going to Sunday's game against Meralco. So sana makatulong sa atin.
Another reason po, Northport is unsuccessful since joining the league in 2012. So, looking at the performance of your players in the ongoing Conrad's Cup, how do you foresee the bright side of Northport in this race?
I can say na hindi naman successful. We have several runs din sa past itong franchise na ito. We played twice sa semis, a lot in the quarters. So we have to be patient lang ngayon. Adjustment namin na getting young players, no? Siguro yung franchise namin are looking for players na na magdadala nito for yung sinasabi mong successful campaign. So yun yung look forward namin sa mag-mature yung mga players namin na sila pa rin yung maglalaro sa future.
And that concludes our post-game press conference. Thank you, gentlemen. Congratulations.
Thank you.